frozen blueberries. Just make sure they're broken up and that they are evenly distributed on your 13 by 9 pan. I'm gonna grab some whole frozen strawberries. Do the same thing that you did with your blueberries, with the strawberries. Just make sure there's a good strawberry in every bite. This is gonna be such a yummy dessert. So easy, only a couple ingredients, and it tastes delicious. All right. Now this is what makes it special. These dark, sweet cherries. It's gonna make it so yummy and so rich. Woo! Look, just fills that pan up to the top. Now make sure you kind of have an even surface the best you can. Those cherries, the blueberries, the strawberries. Ooh, this is about to be delicious. And these are all frozen fruit, okay? All right, now we're almost done already. This is so quick. I just grabbed some snickerdoodle cookie mix. So instead of doing your traditional cake mix, I'm doing a cookie mix. And we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top of those frozen berries, just like this. It's gonna be so delicious and taste amazing. Ooh, just get that cake mix all on there. We're gonna use the whole box. Don't be skimpy with this cookie mix. Perfect. Make it nice and even. It's just gonna fall into those fruits. Ooh, okay, that looks perfect. Now that snickerdoodle mix came with its own little sugar, cinnamon mixture, so I'm just gonna sprinkle that right on top. I love snickerdoodle cookie, and you're gonna love it with all that fresh fruit in there. Yummy. Okay, that looks amazing. Okay, so with most dump cakes, you would just put some butter on here and throw it in the oven, but I like things to be super easy, so I just grab a can of Sprite. You can use 7-Up, you can use Sear Mist, but I had Sprite, so that's what I'm using. You really won't taste that lemon lime in there. It's really just gonna cook up that cake mix. You use it instead of eggs, you use it instead of oil, and you use it instead of butter. So we're gonna just drizzle a whole can of Sprite right on top of that sugar cookie snickerdoodle mixture. See how it just foams up? This is gonna cook the entire snickerdoodle mixture, just like this. I like this technique a little bit better than the butter technique because it just spreads better and it cooks like all of that cake mix. Sometimes with the butter, it like misses a few spots. But that is it. This is ready. Your delicious berry dessert is ready. Let's go ahead and look at that bottom real quick. Ah, you see those beautiful blueberries? Ooh, this is about to be so good. Okay, I have my oven set to 375. I'm gonna cook it for 45 minutes. Look at that. Ooh, this is about to be so juicy and delicious. Okay, I'm gonna grab a nice scoop. You're gonna wanna scoop it, okay? Oh, that crust. Oh, look how perfect it is. Ooh, all those juices. Oh, yummy. Okay, that looks delicious. Ooh, okay. Doesn't that look so good? I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna do some 0 sugar Ready Whip because there's already enough sugar in this dish. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, get a bite of the berries and the topping and the whipped cream. That is so good.